like Saturn. These icy, rocky bands would dominate our skies, turning day into a shimmering spectacle and night into an ethereal glow. Sunsets would become cosmic paintings, forever altering our perception of beauty. This celestial jewelry wouldn't just be a sight, it would reshape everything. Climate, ecosystems, and even human sleep cycles would adapt to the constant, reflected light. Space travel would demand new ingenuity, navigating a perilous field of debris. Culturally, these rings would weave into every aspect of our existence. They would inspire new myths, art, and ways of understanding our place in the universe. Earth would be uniquely marked, a beacon of wonder, reminding us that such beauty always carries profound implications.